Hello everyone, welcome back to another video of Editing Basics. In this tutorial video, we are going to learn how to add halftone effect in Canva text. First step is to open a browser. Now on the search bar, type in canva.com. After opening the Canva, create a new blank template. Now on the left side, you can see different options. Click on text. Now click on add a text box. Here type in the text that you want to add halftone effect to. Now you can resize this image as you desire, and you can also add a background image. Here I am choosing black, and on the text I am choosing the white font. After that you can change the font style. Here I am choosing this bangers. Now go to elements and on the search bar type in halftone. Now click on graphics and choose this one, and right click, and here you can see layer option, and here click on bring to point. Now here duplicate this effect. Now after this, click on share and download this image. After download is completed, select this one and upload this downloaded image on the Canva. Now after your upload is completed, drag this photo into this screen, and here you can resize this and fit it into the screen. After that, click on edit image, and here you can see background developer. Click on it. If you want to make it look more attractive, you can click on shadow and create an outline of this text. You can resize the outline. Now it looks more attractive. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please do like, share and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to comment down below if you have any queries. Thank you.